Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 16 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2017. Let's take a look at the question together. Diagram 13 shows a hydraulic brake system for a motorcycle. The motorcyclist pulls the brake handle with the pressure at X and it will produce a pressure at Y. Which is correct about the pressure at X and Y? Alright, so the key point here is that he pulls the handbrake, okay, with a pressure at X and it will produce a pressure at Y. So the X and Y they're referring to is, X is referring to the brake handle while Y is referring to the brake plates, which is to actually brake the entire motorcycle. So they're asking for the correct relationship between the pressures at X and Y. Now, so before we get to this, we have to recall one principle, which is the Pascal's principle. And Pascal's principle basically means, what it says is that for something, for example, okay, let's say you have this, and inside is a particular fluid. So what it's trying to say is that pressure transmitted in an enclosed fluid will be transmitted equally throughout. Okay, pressure is transmitted equally throughout an enclosed fluid. Now, so remember that. So what it means is that the pressure here and the pressure here is actually the same. Okay, so even though it might be at different surface areas or it may be at different parts, the pressure will always be the same based on Pascal's law. So due to the same amount of pressure, it can produce different amounts of forces because here has a smaller area, here has a bigger area. So when you have the same pressure and also the same force per unit area, a smaller area only requires a smaller force, and since A2 is bigger, the same amount of pressure will produce a much larger force. This is how a small grip of the brake handle can actually cause a very big force to be produced at the brake plates, hence braking the entire motorcycle. So the correct relationship between pressure at X and Y is actually A, which is that it is the same amount of pressure for both X and Y. Thank you for watching.